What is the national anthem of the Philippines?
Ako na. Lupang hinirang.
Correct. What is the largest mammal on earth?
Whale.
Correct. Alright. What is the smallest country in the world?
Maldives. Maldives.
Wrong.
Sabi niya Maldives. Maldives.
Wrong.
Ay, alam ko na. Vietnam? Ano? Vietnam?
Wrong.
Para sa JRU to, Vatican City.
Correct. How many hearts does an octopus have?
3.
Correct. Which planet is closest to sun?
Mars.
Wrong.
Ay, mali.
Venus.
Wrong.
Saturn.
Wrong.
Alam ko na po. Mercury.
Correct.
Jose Rizal.
Which organ regulates blood sugar?
Mataray po. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin.
Wrong. Which organ regulates blood sugar?
Heart. Heart.
Wrong.
Blood vessel.
Wrong.
Pancreas. Pancreas.
Correct. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
Taylor Swift.
Wrong. Wrong.
William Shakespeare.
Correct. What organ stores urine?
Source you in?
Yes.
What organ? Bladder.
Correct. Phyrophobia is the fear of what?
Pyrophobia. Fire. Fire.
Correct.
Wala lang.
How many seconds are in 6 minutes?
60.
Wrong. 6 minutes.
Ay, 6 minutes. Ano? 6 minutes in. What? Sige, go.
360 seconds.
Correct. Alright. Ano mga names sila?
Danica.
Craven po.
Casey.
Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Swifty. Alright.